Hey folks, loose shirt with you. I got some lock mail today, and it's from Paracentric, as you can see. Really appreciate that. He sent me a little note just saying hello and cheers, and well, cheers right back to you, buddy. I appreciate you sending this stuff. Some cool stuff. He sent some magnet stickers, which are always great for the refrigerator, as well as, actually, I like leaving them around my work area just to catch some of the springs that fly around. Coasters, sent me one of those. That's cool. What else? Oh, right here, a little lapel pin, which I'll easily be able to display that here. Appreciate that. Let's try it right here. Okay, and then this beauty right here, an acrylic display. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that yet, but I will find a good place for that because that's pretty cool. He also sent a lock. It's a Zeiss Ikon N1, and it has been a booger. I played with it earlier. It's really been a booger to get open. It's a green level belt. I've just had trouble with it. I have a Euro style stand here, and I wanted to put it in my stand, just to put it in there. But the tailpiece, which I've taken off at this point, was sticking out so much in either direction I couldn't manipulate it so that it would be out of the way and stay in the stand. So I took that dude off. Had a little trouble getting the circlip off, but in the meantime I dumped all the pins, and I was damn lucky I didn't break this thing. It was just really lucky. So what I'd like to do is go ahead and pick this, but I'm going to stop the video now and come back to you in just a second with it in the vise, and we'll pick it. Alright, be right back. Okay, back with you. Got the lock-in device here. Got to be careful because there's no tailpiece on there. Wanted to do it this way because I don't want to keep repeating that first part over and over, and like I said, I had a little trouble getting this dude open, so just in case, I can just cut to this part and show you this later. So I have had it apart. I know what's in it. It's got standard pins in 1 and 5, and the other 3 are spools. What was shocking to me is how little feedback this thing has and how difficult it was for me to get it open. For a green belt lock, it was a booger. I like it. It's fun. So I'm gonna go through here, see if I can find a binder. Gotta click out of 4. Go back all the way to 5. That's a standard. I've got pretty heavy tension. Letting off a little bit. Trying to get the standard set, and it doesn't want to. Go back through 2, 3, 4, click. Okay, so something was binding or trying to set. Try this again. All the way back to 5. Maybe not so much tension this time. Okay. I think I got that to set. Try 4, nothing, 3, nothing, 2, nothing, 1. Got to click out of 1. And I've overset 1. I can see it. It's still way up in there. That's a standard. Okay, dropped it. Going back, trying to get under 5. Felt like it. I don't know if I slipped off or... Feels like jiggle. Four. Nothing out of 3. Click out of 2. Click out of 1. Alright, there's a hell of a false set. Okay, I'm under 3. Riding it back. Okay. Look like it's set, or I dropped the 5th one. Let's test some more. 1 seems set. 2 seems set. 3. There we go. So I just didn't get 3 all the way. Wow. That was tough, man. Let's see if we can get it real quick. I'm going to lock it up because I have a key and the tension wrench is stuck. And I don't want to pull all that out and do that all over again. So, let me see here. I got a little pin and tray. Okay, key. Okay. So looking at the key, you'd think that like number 1 there, oops, not in the middle, which is a low cut, that you'd have to just barely touch that. But if you look, I mean, it's got to come up a bit, and thank goodness, because you don't have much to work with. You got to work off that shelf on the right side, and to get to all the other ones, one's a gatekeeper, and you gotta have a little room to get that up. Okay, so they're all standards, the key pins. There's no milling. So that. Let's see if we can Okay, so the first one is a standard. Second one is a spool. Really long springs. Third one is a spool. Fourth one is a spool. Fifth one is a standard. And nothing remarkable going on in there. I just think this thing is tough because there's just no slop in that. It's a really well made lock. I mean, a lot of Schlage and quick sets here in the US, if you get the plug out, you can like rock that dude. There's going to be a lot of slop, but there is none in this. So I think that's what made it so much tougher to get open. It was a lot of fun figuring out how to get in there. Paracentric, thank you so much for sending this, and let me get this out of the way so I can get down there. Thank you so much for sending it, and thank you guys so much for having a look, and Merry Christmas, everybody. You guys go visit Paracentric's YouTube channel. See you later. Bye.